Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 not launching. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, click here. First you need to make sure that you have the latest updates for your Windows, so just check for updates and then install all the updates that you can find, and then go back and now go to GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from any browser, and now just wait and then go to drivers, check for updates and wait, and after that if you find an update, just download it and then install it. Now just go back and restart your computer, then open Task Manager. Now close all the applications, click memory to see application that takes your memory, and now just close all the applications that you don't need, and after that your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.